Good morning, it's Pastor Gordon Douglas here on a Monday. So, still stuck in the house, nothing to do. I got stuff to do. The grandkids were here, so we're cleaning up. But this week we're going to look at the last week of Jesus. Each day, something that he did leading up to the cross, and ultimately on Sunday, the resurrection. On Monday, Jesus went into the temple. It was a mess. They had turned his father's house into a den of thieves. He turned over the money changers' tables. He took a whip and drove them out of his father's house. Well, that's kind of Old Testament stuff here. How does it relate to us? Well, we now, according to 1 Corinthians 6, are the temple of God. Has it become a mess in our heart? Do we need some cleaning? The psalmist 139 said, "Search me, O God, know my heart. Try me, know my anxious thoughts. See if there's any hurtful way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting." Maybe a prayer today is for you to ask God to show you any area of sin that you need to repent of, and you can clean up this temple. More tomorrow. God bless.